Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry, building techniques, and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
In this step, we're going to remove the plastic sprue from inside this transition. And to do this, we want to flip it upside down, and we want to cut from the inside to remove the sprue and kind of follow the edge. So it's going to be kind of on a diagonal. We're going to follow the edge a little bit, try to cut it that way, just like that. Okay. And then on the inside, there's probably like a little burr. And we want to trim that off and put your finger behind it to kind of support it. And then kind of slice along. Be careful not to get into your finger like I just did there. It's all right. It didn't draw blood. Okay. Next, we want to take the ring that this fits into, and there should be two rings. It's the taller one, a little bit wider. It won't fit on this one. And then we want to feel the edge right here. And the reason for that is when we glue the fins on, we don't want it to catch on that edge. So we're just going to sand around the perimeter. And we're going to sand away from the tube and towards the transition because we don't want to mess up the end of the tube. So just go around the perimeter and just knock it off. Knock off that little raised area. And it's not very tall, so it doesn't take much to get it off. When you're done sanding, our next step is to draw a line down the length of the tube. And this is going to be our position 1 line, so that when we go to line things up, it aligns. And I just put the transition in just to stiffen it up a little bit. I don't have to. I want the line fairly straight. Okay, just like that. Well, not with the squiggly line, but you get the idea. You just want a nice straight line.